Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make restaurant style chicken do pyeza. It's a pretty simple recipe, so now let's see how it's done. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I've taken 500 grams of chicken, curry cut. I've taken about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 large size tomato, I've blended it to form puree. 3 tablespoons of curd. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Now in the spices I need salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, chicken masala powder and some red chili powder. Along with this we will need some coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 to 3 whole green chilies, 1 medium-sized onion. I've cut this into larger pieces and I've separated the petals. 1 small tomato, I have separated the pulp and then cut this into cubes, and some kasuri methi. So now let's start with the process. The first process is we'll marinate the chicken. So into the chicken I have added half of the ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now we'll mix all these ingredients with the chicken very nicely, and once it is done we will cover and keep this chicken for about 30 minutes. Next we'll prepare the curd mix. Now we'll add all these spices to the curd. First we'll add about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and about half teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Now we'll mix all these spices with the curd nicely and keep it aside. Now to a heated pan we will add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add in the chopped onions. We'll saute the onions for about 1 to 2 minutes till the onion has changed its color. Now as you can see, our onions have turned into a nice golden brown color. To this we will add the rest of the ginger garlic paste and mix well. We'll cook this in low flame for about 1 minute. Then we'll add the tomato puree. We'll again mix this well. Add salt. Make sure that you do not add too much because while marinating the chicken also we have added salt. Now we'll cover and cook this for about 2 minutes or till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. Give it a light stir and then add the curd mix. Mix it well with the gravy. Let it simmer for about 1 minute in low flame. Next, cover and cook this for about 2 minutes or till the oil separates from the gravy. After 2 minutes, you can see that the oil has separated from the gravy and the gravy has become a little thick. Now to this we will add the marinated chicken. Mix the chicken well with the gravy. Now cover this and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, take the lid out and then give the chicken a nice mix and add about half a glass of water to it. Give it a gentle mix and then we will cover and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes in low flame. It's almost 8 minutes, so let us check the chicken. As you can see, the chicken has also released water, but the chicken is not fully cooked now, so we will cover and cook this for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the gravy has thickened and the chicken is cooked. At this point, if you feel that the gravy is a little thick, then you can add a little bit of warm water and let it boil for 2 minutes. But the gravy of chicken do pyasa is generally quite thick, so I am not adding any more water here. Now add the onion petals and the tomato cubes to the gravy and mix it gently. Make sure that the chicken pieces do not break. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes in low flame. Now finally we'll add some kasuri methi, chopped coriander leaves and the green chilies. Give it a very gentle mix and let it simmer for a minute. Our chicken do pyasa is now ready. Serve it hot with rice, roti, naan, kulcha, whatever you like. It goes down well with anything. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.